So there have been some crucial amendments covering e-commerce laws such as the Consumer Protection Rules 2020. However, fortunately the people in the MSME sector has decided to recommend some changes for the provisions for e-commerce rules. To prevent the unfair trade practices in e-commerce, the central government had notified the Consumer Protection Rules 2020 with effect from 23rd July 2020. Thus, it is essential to highlight some of the key amendments made in Consumer Protection Rules 2020 and the concerns of the MSME sector regarding those particular amendments. The amendments in Consumer Protection Rules 2020 focus to fulfill the objectives such as to ensure compliance with the Consumer Protection Act 2019 and the rules, the appointment of Chief Compliance Officer, a nodal contact person for 24/7 coordination with the law enforcement agencies, and to ensure compliance to their orders and resident grievance officer for redressing the consumer's grievance on the e-commerce platform. To protect the interest of consumers, mis-selling has been prohibited. That is, selling goods and services entities selling goods or services by deliberate misrepresentation of information by such entities about such goods or services. To ensure that the domestic manufacturers and suppliers get fair and equal treatment on the e-commerce platform. It has been provided where an e-commerce entity offers imported goods or services. Now, there have been some problems of MSME with these provisions. According to our data, 55% of micro, small and medium enterprises want the government to reconsider the amendment it made recently to the Consumer Protection Rules 2020. The concerns of the MSME sector lies in tracking and restricting sales will affect the businesses in a very wrong way. The MSMEs also say the appointment of a grievance officer concerning online sales is not advisable, as no such provision existed in offline sales. In the pandemic season, small businesses have shifted to e-commerce platforms, started their websites and apps, it was also pointed out. They pointed out that online sales became a way to increase their sales during the pandemic as it was only a way to cope with the demands of digitalization. During the pandemic season, kitchen items, food making accessories, plastic buckets, mugs, dustbins and cleaning products have seen a huge sale. Some 60% of these units are now doing sales on e-commerce platforms. So the amendments may increase the compliance burden on e-commerce entities and make the marketplace inaccessible to small and medium businesses that largely depend on these entities for sustenance. Thus, the government needs to revisit these rules and detangle the complexities.